Welcome back to part 2 of our list of the 10 most reliable American SUVs from the last decade. In this section, we're focusing on the 5 top-ranked models that truly stand out for dependability, low ownership costs, and long-term durability. From Chevrolet's versatile lineup to Buick's premium compact SUV and GMC's refined crossover, these vehicles prove that you don't need to sacrifice comfort, efficiency, or practicality to get reliability. Whether you're a daily commuter, a city driver, or someone who needs a small SUV with a long life ahead, these models have already built a solid reputation on the road. The Chevrolet Trailblazer made its return to the lineup in 2022 as a subcompact crossover, and it quickly showed why Chevy deserves recognition for building dependable, small SUVs. With a reliability score of 86/100 and yearly maintenance costs averaging just $524, it has already proven itself despite being one of the newest entries on this list. Owners have pushed some models beyond 100,000 miles in only a couple of years, a promising sign for long-term durability. Power comes from either a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with 137 horsepower or a 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder making 155 horsepower. Both are paired with either a CVT or a 9-speed automatic transmission, depending on the trim and driveline. The Trailblazer is available in LS, LT, RS, and Active trims, the latter two adding sportier or more rugged looks. Fuel economy is one of its highlights, returning up to 33 mpg on the highway. For a subcompact, it also manages to deliver surprising cargo space, making it a strong choice for young drivers, commuters, or city families who want value without sacrificing reliability. If simplicity is the ultimate path to reliability, the Chevrolet Trax is the perfect example. This small SUV, with a reliability rating of 87/100, sticks to a single 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 138 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Buyers could only choose between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and that's it. By keeping things straightforward, Chevy created an SUV that's easy to maintain, affordable to repair, and tough to break. With annual repair costs averaging $488 and some examples reaching over 166,000 miles, the Trax shows that less complexity often equals more dependability. It's not flashy, but it offers good ride height for poor road conditions, basic off-road capability, and the technology modern drivers expect. For buyers looking for a no-nonsense, affordable, and reliable SUV, the Trax checks all the right boxes. The GMC Terrain represents a step up in refinement compared to its Chevrolet siblings, and the 2023 model solidifies its place as one of the most dependable American SUVs of the last decade. With a reliability score of 88/100, the Terrain proves that style, comfort, and reliability can coexist. It also benefits from an affordable average yearly maintenance cost of $558, surprisingly low for a compact SUV with premium aspirations. Under the hood, every trim uses a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, producing 175 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque. Fuel efficiency comes in at 24.29 mpg, and towing capacity maxes out at 1,500 pounds. The Terrain lineup is diverse, from the off-road-leaning AT4 trim to the upscale Denali, giving buyers a choice between adventure and luxury. While the highest recorded mileage so far is around 87,000, this is largely because the model is still fairly new. Its design and track record suggest it will hold up well past 200,000 miles with proper care. The Buick Encore is essentially a Chevrolet Trax, dressed in more refined clothing, but it stands out with a higher reliability score of 90/100. Its small footprint makes it ideal for city life, while its premium features and quiet cabin set it apart from other subcompact SUVs. Owners enjoy comfortable seating, a smooth ride, and all the technology expected in a modern premium crossover. Powered by the same 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 6-speed automatic, the Encore prioritizes efficiency and reliability over outright performance. With average yearly maintenance costs of just $608 and examples already crossing 146,000 miles, the Encore demonstrates that Buick knows how to build a long-lasting vehicle with a touch of luxury. It may not be the most powerful SUV, but it's one of the best choices for those seeking durability in a stylish, compact package. Taking the top spot as the most reliable American SUV of the last decade is the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. With a reliability score of 90/100 and annual repair costs averaging only $536, the Equinox is proof that practicality, comfort, and long-term dependability can go hand in hand. Owners have already reported examples with over 176,000 miles, solidifying its reputation for endurance. Equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 170 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque, the Equinox isn't designed for speed, but rather for consistent, dependable performance. Its towing capacity of 1,500 pounds and fuel economy of up to 31 mpg highway make it a well-rounded option for families. Spacious, comfortable, and packed with useful technology, the Equinox has become a staple in American driveways. It's not the flashiest SUV on the road, but it earns its crown by being the one that simply works year after year. And that wraps up part 2 of our countdown of the most reliable American SUVs of the last decade. The Chevrolet Trailblazer, Trax, and Equinox, alongside the GMC Terrain and Buick Encore, highlight how General Motors has consistently delivered dependable SUVs across different price points and market segments. With strong reliability scores, reasonable maintenance costs, and proven durability, these models are excellent options for anyone shopping for a trustworthy used SUV. Stick around for more deep dives into reliable vehicles, and don't forget to check out part 1 if you missed it.